Toby is a tram engine. He has cow catchers and side plates and doesn't look like a steam engine at all. He takes freight cars from farms and villages to the main line and is cheerful to everyone he meets. He has a coach called Henrietta, who has seen better days. She grumbles, remembering that she used to be full and 9 cars would rattle behind her. Now there are only 3 or 4, for the farms and factories send their goods mostly by truck. Toby is always careful. The cars, buses, and trucks often have accidents. Toby hasn't had an accident for years, but the buses are crowded and Henrietta is empty. A lady and a stout gentleman stood on Toby's platform. He was, of course, Sir Topham Hatt, but Toby didn't know this yet. Cried the children, said Sir Topham Hatt. Asked Bridget. It's Toby, said her brother. Said Sir Topham Hatt to the conductor. They all scrambled into Henrietta. Chanted Henrietta, but Toby did not sing. He snorted. He was proud of being a steam train. Asked Sir Topham Hatt. Said Toby. He felt better now. He thought. The children came every day for 2 weeks. Sometimes they rode with the conductor, sometimes in empty cars. On the last day of all, the driver invited them into his cab. All were sorry when they had to go away, and Sir Topham Hatt and his family thanked everyone. Replied Toby, called the children, and they waited until Toby was out of sight. The months passed. Toby had few cars and fewer passengers. Said his driver one morning. That day, everyone wanted the chance of a last ride. The passengers joked and sang, but Toby and his driver wished they wouldn't. Said the passengers afterwards. Said Toby. Toby thought and went unhappily to sleep. Next morning, the shed was flung open, and old Toby woke with a start to see his driver waving a piece of paper at him. He shouted excitedly,